Hey, alright. So we're back here. These are my drunken pickles that I made. Um, I've noticed a couple things with them. They've been in the fridge now for about 9 days. Um, this one, which I put the red pepper flakes in, has turned red. And I think that's just the red pepper flakes. This one that I put the chilitepins in is perfectly clear still. And I'm just going to do a on-screen taste test. I haven't tried these yet. We're going to see what we think of these drunken pickles. Drunken quick pickles. So, take the lid off. These are the ones with the red pepper flakes. See, the brine is pretty red. It's actually turning the pickle. Let's see if we can show that. Yeah. Oh well. Pickle's a little, almost looks brown. I don't know if that looks good to eat, but I'm gonna try it. Let's see what we got here. All right. Okay. So, it's spicy. I don't taste much dill. It's very spicy. Yeah, very spicy. Very good. Actually, that is really good pickle. It's very crispy. Just like a pickle out of the store. That is a darn good pickle. That is a keeper. The color puts you off a little bit. But that is a pretty darn good little pickle. Very crispy. I like that. Usually when you water bath pickles, the water bathing process makes them mushy. So that right there, that's a good little pickle. I really like that. That is a keeper. I don't care what color it is. So here we got this other ones, and this is the ones I put the chilitepins in. For those of you who haven't watched much, the chilitepins are super hot. Super hot. These little guys. And I will say, this pickle, I mean, looks pretty good. Nice, green, crisp. Well, let's see if it's crisp. Let's see. Here we go. Okay. Very crispy. And you know what? Not hot at all. I can't believe that. That thing's not hot at all. Tastes just like a pickle though. I get the dill. I get the other flavors in here like the onions. Very crispy. Not hot. You know what I'm going to do? I know I'm sticking my fingers in here. It's my food. I can do whatever I want. Let's try one of these little chilitepins. Let's see what they taste like. Yep, those are still hot. So what I'm thinking is, oh man, that's hot. And very pickly, actually. The next time I do these, wow, that's hot. Put a few less in here and cut them. Because they have not penetrated into the pickle yet. These taste great. They look like, well, they look like something that should be thrown out. They taste amazing. These do not taste as good because I like spice. But I bet you, and I need to use a few less of them next time, definitely. But, not spicy. Pretty good and spicy. Funky color. Looks like a pickle. Actually, they're both very good. And I've got more cucumbers coming. So this will be the beginning of the cucumber season. But honestly, these things are awesome. Both of them are very good. If you like the spicy, I would go with these. And if you like regular, I would go with these. But I think if you slice these chilitepins up, they will probably make this thing almost inferno hot. Those things are hot. Thanks for watching.